Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 421. Let's start by reading the information. The graphs of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5, and g of x is equal to a times 2 to the power x plus q as sketched below. We have our f of x, which is a parabola or a parabolic function. And then we have g of x, which is exponential. E and h are the x-intercepts of f, that is E there, and then h are the x-intercepts of f. C is the y-intercept of f and lies on the asymptote of g. The c, which is the y-intercept of f and lies on the asymptote of g. The two graphs intersect at D, the turning point of f. The two graphs intersect at D, the turning point of f. Right, the first question is an easy one. Write down the y-coordinate of C. Even the instruction says write down. So it means it should be something very easy. 1 mark. This is the y-intercept. So we're getting the y-intercept from the equation, which is -5. So it means y is equal to -5. Remember that at the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. So if we say y is equal to 0 squared, I'm substituting into this equation, minus 4 times 0 minus 5, we get that y is equal to -5. But just know that if you have an equation in the form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, this gives you the y-coordinate of the y-intercept.